I recommend to help the soul that departed from the body, either natural death or accidental or by diseases. There are some ways of leaving the body, because the death of human body is not like death of any other material. It is something more, because there is something called soul is related with that. One has to work on this in different ways, but the ultimate purpose of this is how to handle that, how to liberate that soul, how to give a easiness for the soul to travel further, either to take another birth or just to be liberated, whatever. Some people, they do it like a rituals, like they may call it is a tarpanam, something like that, does not matter, but you can always do something for them the way you learnt from your tradition, whatever the way. If you are a deep meditator, the very meditation is enough for you. You do not have to do many things separately. That is why I keep on giving emphasis on the importance of the meditation. Meditation is such a ceremony. Meditation is such a ritual, very deep ritual. The very meditation itself, the power of meditation. With the power of meditation, you can just send your love energy, your energy, the divine energy, to the departed soul. That will help a lot. Be careful here, you have to be very careful about the attachment here also. You are not supposed to have an attachment and bondage with that departed soul. They already departed. You have to help to liberate further, not to put a hooking with them. Please allow them to be free. Do not put it in your mind so strongly with their memories. Okay? It is better to do something for them. They are the people who lived around us. Give you a nice send off after leaving the body also. Okay.